In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate your Cloudflare API token. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the controls you need inside your Cloudflare account, so you can securely manage tokens for your apps and automations. An API token is essentially a key that lets a script or service interact with Cloudflare on your behalf. Because it grants access, treat it like a password, keep it private, store it safely, and revoke it if you ever think it's exposed. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Cloudflare dashboard at dash.cloudflare.com. If you aren't already signed in, log in with your account credentials and complete any two-factor prompts. Using two-factor authentication is strongly recommended because API access is powerful and you want your account protected from the start. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the top right corner of the page and click the profile icon. It might appear as your avatar, your initials, or a small user silhouette. This icon is your gateway to account-wide settings that aren't tied to a single website or zone, which is exactly what we need for working with tokens. From the menu that appears, click Profile. That will take you to your user profile area, where Cloudflare centralizes your personal settings, security details, and account preferences. If you manage multiple accounts or domains, don't worry. These profile settings are about you as a user, not any one site. Inside your profile, find and click on API tokens. This section is dedicated to programmatic access. Here, you can view the tokens you've previously created, check their permissions, and manage or revoke them if needed. You'll also see options related to API keys that apply at the account level. A useful best practice is to prefer scoped API tokens over global keys. Scoped tokens limit exactly what a token can do, which reduces risk if it's ever leaked. A few quick tips before you move on from this page. Only create tokens with the minimum permissions required for your use case. This is known as least privilege. Store tokens in a secure secrets manager or your build system's encrypted variable store rather than hard coding them. Never share them in screenshots, support tickets, or public repositories. And if a token is ever compromised, this is the place to revoke it instantly. That's it. You've navigated to the right spot. Cloudflare dashboard, profile icon, profile, then API tokens. From here, you can confidently manage secure access for your tools and workflows.